welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different than my standard video. I'm going to be putting together a few gifts for some teachers and for my mom and for my mother-in-law, and I wanted to take you guys along with me for this. And I wanted to thank Simply Earth for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna be having some fun with some oils, and I've had shared some diffusers on my channel before, and so many of you actually recommended Simply Earth to me, so I'm so excited to be working with them in today's video. Like I said, we're gonna be putting some gifts together and just hanging out in today's video, of course getting a little bit of cleaning done. So I just wanted to show my face in the beginning of this video and welcome you all to my channel. If you guys haven't been here before, my name is Katie. I do a lot of cleaning motivation, lifestyle, homemaking content, and I hope if you enjoyed today's video that you will hit that like button before you leave and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive right in. To kick off today's video, I thought it might be fun to share with you all what I'm actually doing in my Mother's Day boxes today for my mom and my mother-in-law. I actually was looking up local places that put together gift boxes very similar to the one I'm making in today's video, and they were super duper expensive. So I'm taking it upon myself to hit some of my local stores and use some businesses to put my own boxes together for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, this portion of today's video is actually sponsored by Simply Earth. And in case you've never heard of Simply Earth before, I wanted to just take a couple of minutes and tell you a little bit about what they're all about. And I know that essential oils are all the rage right now, and I know that I've been myself desperately wanting to learn more. So when they reached out, I was so excited to come together with them. So Simply Earth is all about natural products and knowing ingredients that's in your essential oils. So they decided to create their own essential oil recipe box. So with that, you get everything you need to create a natural home at an honest price while learning and having fun. So Simply Earth has 3 ways that they've made essential oils easy, and one of those is you get the box with your oils and 6 recipes. There are 4 oils that are 100% pure and natural ingredients, and those are included in your recipe box to create safe and easy to make recipes that you know that will work. And 2, you get to learn how to use the essential oils, so you can make your favorite products by using the essential oils by following the recipes created by your aromatherapist. And 3, you get to ditch the toxins and use products that you made, so you can be healthy and save money by eliminating toxins at home, one free recipe at a time. What I am sharing with you today is not only the monthly box, but also the bonus box. So as you can see, it came with a bunch of the 5 milliliter little bottles and also quite a few of these rollers. So I can make a lot of my own blends right here at home. But in today's case, I'm gonna be putting these boxes together for Mother's Day, and there's actually a Mother's Day blend, as you guys just saw a moment ago. So we're actually gonna go through a few of these recipes in just a moment, but first let's start putting these boxes together, and then I can tell you a little bit more about Simply Earth.
And I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want to get close to.
These sweet little macaroons I just picked up from the freezer dessert section right at Target, and then I got the treat bags from the party section also from Target, and I'm just gonna take one of each flavor. It comes with 12, so 2 of each flavor, and I'm going to put them in these treat bags and just use an elastic band to keep them fresh. And I'm just gonna place them right here in my gift box, along with, I picked out a very special individual necklaces for each of my moms, and I think they're absolutely going to love them, along with a little candle, and then of course this sweet treat, and then the diffusing blend that we're going to be making in today's video.
I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you, and I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want to get close to me, close to what we used to be. just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too?
So to make these Mother's Day boxes extra special, we're gonna be putting together a Mother's Day diffuser blend for my mom and my mother-in-law. So I wanted to show you guys how I did that. These 5 milliliter cute little bottles came right in my bonus box. So I have everything that I need. It also came with the 3 essential oils that I need to put this blend together. We're gonna be actually using the lemon marjoram. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'm very, very new to this, guys. And then the Lady's Choice essential oils to make this blend. And then I'm also going to diffuse these 3 so I know exactly what it smells like. So I'm gonna do that. And I think that they will just really, really appreciate that I took the time to put this blend together for them versus going and grabbing it off of a shelf. It's a very, very unique blend. So I'm really, really excited about that. It's all about the special little thoughtful touches on Mother's Day. So I'm really, really excited to do this. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put a few of these recipes together. And I think there's about 6 of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So I want to share with you guys how I put this all together, but let's start with this one so we can get these boxes finished and put together.
Oh, baby.
Okay, so for this Mother's Day diffuser blend, all you're seeing me do right now is add 3 of the essential oils to these 5 milliliter bottles here that came in my big bonus box. So I'm doing 48 drops of the lemon essential oils along with 16 drops of the marjoram essential oil, and then lastly 32 drops of the Lady's Choice essential oil blend, and then I'm just rolling it around and then putting my little labels on it to make them extra special.
And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me?
Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, but I know as a mom myself, if I received these for Mother's Day, I would just be so, so excited. I love jewelry, I've got a sweet tooth, I'm a lover of candles, and obviously essential oils. So let me know what you guys think of these boxes down below in the comments.
And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too.
The next recipe that caught my eye, I wanted to share with you all, is a flow roll-on. Ladies, you feel me? This one's for you. And I figured I made those other oils for someone else. Why not go ahead and make something for myself? So this one, I am just doing 5 drops of the Lady's Choice essential oil with 3 drops lemon and 2 drops of the marjoram. And then you also want to add in some of the coconut oil to the top, and then I just shake it up really good, and then when you need this, you can apply it to your abdomen for soothing relief.
Oh, but kinda
The last recipe I wanted to do really quickly while I was playing around with my box today was the cooling spray. And being from Southern California and having a pool, we are constantly outside and in the sun. And I thought, how great is this spray to have around for burns? So I'm going to do a cooling spray right now with you guys, and all I'm doing is using the aloe vera gel along with a drop of the Lady's Choice essential oil with 2 drops of the spearmint oil, and then you're going to top it off with a little bit of distilled water. Shake it up in the bottle, and I'm going to put it in this spray bottle so it's easier to apply.
I can feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
I will have a link just below in the description box if you wanted to check out Simply Earth for yourself and learn more about them. And I will also have a promo code. They were kind enough to provide you guys with my code KATIEFREE in all caps, and this will give you first-time new subscribers a $40 gift card with the purchase of your first box. So thank you so much again to Simply Earth for sponsoring today's video. And something else I wanted to mention to you all that I thought was so neat about this company is that actually they donate 13% of their profits to organizations that are on the front lines of fighting the injustice of human trafficking. So how awesome is that? They also have over 5,000 5-star reviews. So definitely check them out and let me know if you guys have ever used Simply Earth before. And let's go ahead and jump on into the cleaning.
Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
Getting my mess cleaned up here in the kitchen. I got my island cleared off and wiped down, and now I want to do some dishes before I have to go pick up my boys from school. So if you guys have any dishes in your sink, or maybe you have a full dishwasher that's ready to be put away, let's go ahead and tackle that together.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
I have been so chatty this video, and I just apologize. I wanted to give you guys just a little bit of break there while we did the dishes and finished up there in the kitchen. But I wanted to let you guys know that in the last video I mentioned how I got this tote. I did a Target haul. If you guys missed that video, I will have it linked just below in the description box. You can go watch it when you're done watching this one. But we are going to be putting away all the spring stuff that we took down in that last video. It's just been kind of sitting here in a laundry basket staged until I had somewhere to store it. So we're gonna take care of that right now and just transfer everything from this laundry basket into this tote, and then I'm able to take it out to the shed.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, baby, while we're young.
I never got to show you guys my spring front porch because I deleted the footage on accident. But I laid out this really pretty blue striped rug with my doormat. I put in these beautiful flowers. These guys dried up, but they're already budding fresh ones. And then here is my spring wreath. And then over here we have our rocking chairs. And I got these new pillows from Target. And then my little table here, this was covered in melted wax, so I got that cleaned up. And then this other pillow. And then swinging you around this way, I did all new mulch in our planters here, and then pulled out all the dead plants. So I just wanted to include that in this video. It looks so nice and fresh. I love how it came out. Okay, moving on to my teacher appreciation gifts. Well, my kids' teacher appreciation gifts. I want to say, if you guys are an educator or a teacher, thank you so much for all your hard work. I feel like you guys have a thankless job and you guys are just not recognized enough. There's so many people out there that are just not given enough recognition. And so I wanted to make sure I got my boys' teachers something nice and unique. I feel like teachers always get cups and Starbucks and all those things. So I try to get extra creative. So if you guys are an educator, a teacher of some sort, let me know what you think of these gifts. They're both kind of like younger female type teachers. They're so sweet and I'm so thankful for them. My boys love them as well. So I'm just going to put together a few little gifts for Teacher Appreciation Week. Alright everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little different than the way that I usually do my videos on my channel, but for my own sanity, sometimes I gotta switch it up a little bit. Plus, I love that it kind of gives you a different angle into my life, and I feel like we can get to know each other a little bit better and on a different level. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below in the comments. I had so much fun playing with the essential oils today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I will have Simply Earth linked down below in the description box along with a promo code for you guys. So if you wanted to try out these essential oils and play with some recipes for yourself, I would love for you guys to try that out. Let me know if you guys have used Simply Earth before. I know I've seen them all over the place before, so it was really fun being able to actually experience it for myself. But anyways, if you guys liked today's video, I would love if you could hit that like button before you guys leave today. Also, if you could subscribe. YouTube is going through a little bit of something right now. I don't know what, but it really, really helps me out. If you guys can like and subscribe, I would totally appreciate it. But other than that, everyone, I will see you in my next video. Bye.